Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price. I can already tell you the price is almost not moving at all anymore. As you guys can see, volatility has decreased dramatically within the last 24 hours. The only interesting thing we are seeing is that volume right now is actually increasing to the upside while the price is squeezing. This means that this price level is getting completely fought off by bulls and bears at the same time. So the decision is not made yet. Let's just jump right into the charts and find out where we are headed next with the Bitcoin and crypto prices, because as you guys know, I'm still remaining in my short positions right now. We already took around $16,000 off my Bitcoin position, of my Bitcoin short and profits, and we also already closed my Ethereum short position with $5,000 in a profit. Now I just scaled up my Bitcoin short. I just opened up a new Ethereum trade. Let me tell you why. First of all, thank you very much for all of you guys' amazing support. My last video completely demolished the 1,000 thumbs up, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for that. As always, I would appreciate it if you could maybe smash up a like here on today's video. Maybe we can reach the 1,000 likes. That would be amazing. This really supports the YouTube algorithm as well. Besides you guys commenting, subscribing, activate the bell, I much appreciate it. But now guys, let's just jump right into the charts and I will tell you exactly when we can also find the bottom and what these interesting on-chain datas over here are telling us at the moment. So first of all, since my last video, nothing really has changed. Keeping here in mind that we are still bouncing in between our 4-hourly upward sloping past support area, right? There we are getting rejected, as we talked about since 2 days now already. And we have our potential, bear flag, or as we discussed in our last videos before we saw all of these new low points over here, as we discussed, we are forming a potential broadening wedge. In both cases, with the downwards movement that we saw beforehand, this is definitely a bearish continuation pattern. That's why I decided to scale up my long positions quite heavily, because my short positions quite heavily, because right now the volume is picking up, so the next move will be explosive. If we're breaking to the upside, I want to close my short positions anyways. For now, I will look for the next entry point and maybe at $27,000 or anything like that. But if we're breaking now here to the downside, and by downside I mean the $21,100 level, the $20,800 level, I mean, if this happens, guys, I have to tell you, I will scale up my short positions once again very aggressively, because I think that as soon as we especially see a rejection here of our upward sloping support that we have here on the 4-hourly time frame, and we then break the old low point, the 20,800. I mean, yeah, you can wait for another retest of the 20,800 and wait with your position really till the 20,800 breakout is confirmed. But guys, I have to tell you, I will already start scaling up as soon as we break the $20,800 level to the downside, and then I will dramatically scale up as soon as we break the old low point to the downside. But for now, guys, as I said, the bulls and bears are fighting heavily. There is no decision made in which direction we are going to go yet. We have to wait for these price levels I just told you about to break 21,100, 20,800, and to the upside we have the 21,600 and the $21,800 for this remaining day till my next video upload tomorrow. So these are the price levels that I'm keeping an eye on. If we break one of these, I'm taking imminent actions on my trades, because looking at the bigger time frames, nothing really has changed. We can potentially, with the tomorrow's daily candle and the day after, we can see a massive pump all the way up to our old highs. That would result in a beautiful weekly reversal candle here and probably a weekly bullish continuation. Looking at the other side of things, we could get rejected here within the next couple of days, dump all the way down to the $19,000 level. We would have, by that, a new very bearish weekly candle, and yeah, then we would need to expect to fall even lower. So this is why, guys, I'm keeping an eye on these price levels exactly right now, and also I'm only going to make trade decisions based on these levels and based on a confirmation or not. Now let's take a look at the on-chain data. Guys, Bitcoin exchange net flows in 2020. We can see how much exchanges got. Do they got more Bitcoin deposited than withdrawn or not? And what we can see is this year was heavy. A lot more Bitcoin got withdrawn from exchanges than pretty much last year, because a lot of people last year wanted to sell their Bitcoin at high prices. Now we can really see that since June, since we really dumped very low and we are assumingly seeing this last consolidation, we have seen a massive outflow of Bitcoin. People are buying, putting them on long-term HODL wallets, but we can see that this is decreasing. Why is that decreasing? Because slowly all demand is getting filled. The only thing is that while all demand is getting filled, it is not unlikely that we see another big dump to the downside. Nevertheless, guys, the Bitcoin bottom is going to be within the next couple of weeks. This is the most likely scenario, at least. I'm telling you, the only thing we need to do is keep an eye on this, because this most likely will decide, are we going to see the bottom now at the $18,000 level where we already saw it, or are we breaking to the downside and need to expect a potential bottom at the $16,000, $14,000 price level. Guys, just stick around, subscribe to this channel, activate the bell, smash up a like so you don't get my new videos not recommended on YouTube. This happens sometimes, and then you won't miss out on any future price updates and trade ideas and so on and so on. So guys, subscribe, activate the bell. And now I would say this was already it from today's video. It's a short one, I know guys, but not much has changed. I just wanted to let you know the new price levels you need to keep an eye on. And tomorrow I will let you know if we need to make any imminent actions to our trades. Close them, scale them up, whatever, I will let you know. But now guys, we're going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye bye.